What you're watching right now is a full 1-minute film, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it was made. Powered entirely by Higgsfield Seedance 2.5. No camera, no crew, no actors, just pure AI and a few simple prompts. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create your own cinematic film. First, real quick if you're new here, welcome to ManuAGI. I'm Manu, and on this channel, I show you the best AI tools and how to use them in simple steps anyone can follow. If that sounds helpful, hit subscribe, because this one is a perfect example. Okay, so now let's make an AI movie. First, meet Higgsfield AI, 1 generation, 1 take. No stitching, no patching transitions, nothing drifting. And here's the part that makes it usable. That's 1080p, full HD 3D animation, straight out of the model. Made with the newest AI video model, Seedance 2.5. And right now, Seedance 2.5 in 1080p is on Higgsfield first, before any other platform. Higgsfield, one AI platform for everything creative. Generate images, all AI top model are available. For videos, all top AI model like Seedance 2.5 1080p and 3D models. Animate photos with realistic motion. Create voiceovers, clone voices, and dub videos into any language. Turn long videos into viral shorts. Upscale, reframe, remove backgrounds, all in one place. No more juggling 5 different tools. Higgsfield is your entire AI creative studio, built to help you create faster, smarter, and at scale. And here is crazy thing. Optional 1,124 contestants live right now. Part of the Global Film Festival, Build Your Film in Public. Up to 50 most community-supported films go straight to the jury's shortlist. Standout projects also get credit grants from the Higgsfield team to finish stronger. Any story, any genre, 1 million pool. So do not forget to. So now let's make an AI movie. First, go to ChatGPT or Claude to create your storyboard prompt. Before creating the storyboard, we first need a film story idea. If you already have a film story idea, that is perfect. But if you do not have one yet, you can use this prompt to generate new ideas for your story. For example, I want to create a film or movie. I want to create a film, so give me 5 creative engaging ideas like dragon, another planet. Now press enter. In a few seconds, ChatGPT will create 5 something cinematic, mysterious, and visually huge for our movie concepts. For example, The Last Dragon, The Planet That Remembers, The City Under the Moon, and 2 more movie ideas. You can choose any movie idea you like. If you do not like the ideas, you can generate more ideas again. After selecting your short film movie idea, copy and paste my master prompt. This master prompt is available in the video description, so do not worry. At the top of this prompt, you will see a section for the story title. This is where you need to enter your selected story title. For this video, I am choosing this movie story idea, The Last Dragon. So, I will copy this title and paste it into the story title section. Do not change anything else in the master prompt. Just add your story title and press enter. In a few seconds, ChatGPT will create your complete movie in scan by scan. Now before generating full movie, we need storyboard image, so that I can know what scan visuals will be shown in our movie. For this, we will simply type here. I want storyboard image panel, 2 text prompts, 30 plus 30 seconds, scan by scan, detailed about my story, divided by 2 part. Now after typing this here, we want to make a complete 1-minute movie, which has 2 parts of 30 plus 30 seconds. Now, ChatGPT will write 2 prompts for us, which we will make as storyboard image and panel image. As you can see here, this full prompt includes the complete movie story, character details, and all 6 storyboard panels. Now, simply copy the first part. Prompt. You can also use the copy button to copy it directly. Simply go on Higgsfield AI to create your first part movie scan storyboard image. And here you will see a dashboard like this. From the top menu, go to the Image tab and choose the GPT Image 2 model. Now, for image creation, you will see a dashboard like this. If you have any reference images, you can upload them here. You can upload up to 16 images. But for this example, we do not have any reference images, so we will only use our prompt. We already copied our prompt, so now we simply paste it here. Next, choose your model. We already selected GPT-1ManuAGI, but if it is not selected on your side, then choose it here. After that, choose the image quality as high. Next, choose the image resolution. It supports up to 4K, so for this image, I will select 4K. Now choose the image aspect ratio. By default, it is set to auto, but for this image, I want 16:9, so I will select the 16:9 aspect ratio. Next, choose how many images you want to generate. For example, I want one image, so I select one. After selecting everything, I click on the Generate button. And in the same way, we will copy the master prompt from the second part and generate the second storyboard image here, which will complete our story. In few seconds, our both storyboard panels are ready. Storyboard includes 6 image panels. Once you are satisfied with your storyboard image, just click on the Download button to save it. Or, if you want to create it again, simply click on the Recreate button. So, we download this image. Now, after downloading and preparing your storyboard image, the next step is to turn this image into a video using Seedance 2.5. For this image-to-video process, we need a full detailed prompt for Seedance. So now we go back to ChatGPT. Here we type, I want both 2 prompts into a visuals with dialogues according to the storyboard image. So give me 2 master prompt 30 plus 30 seconds, and upload or attach your both storyboard image that we just created, and press enter. Here we type, I want both 2 prompts into a visuals with dialogues according to the storyboard image. So give me 2 master prompt 30 plus 30 seconds, and upload or attach your both storyboard image that we just created, and press enter. After this, ChatGPT will create 2 master prompts of our movie for Seedance 2.5, which will be of 30 plus 30 seconds, and will be divided into 2 parts. After this, we will copy the first part master prompt and convert it into visual. For this, we will go back to Higgsfield AI. Here, go to the video section and select the Seedance 2.5 model. You will see a dashboard like this. First, upload your first part storyboard image. You can upload it using the Upload Media button, or you can open the Image Generation tab and select the image you already created inside Higgsfield. One useful feature in Higgsfield AI is the Check Eligibility option. Click on Check Eligibility and wait a few seconds. This checks whether your image is eligible to use on the platform. Always make sure that you own the image or have permission to use it before generating a video. After a few seconds, my image is approved, so I select it. Next, paste your Seedance 2.5 first part of our story prompt here. Next, choose your model. We already selected Seedance 2.5, but if it is not selected on your side, choose it here. Now choose your video duration. The default duration is 8 seconds, but for this video, I need a longer result, so I select 30 seconds. Next, choose the video aspect ratio. For this example, I select 16:9. Then choose your video resolution, 1080p or 720p. After selecting everything, click on the Generate button, and the Our Movie First video generation process will begin. Just like this, we will copy the video master prompt of our Part 2 and simply get generated. After a few seconds of generating processing, you can see the result. Our both videos 1 minute's movie is ready to shine. Let's see the result.
It's still alive.
Mara, don't!
We have to help it.
It's too heavy!
Then we lift it together! We can't leave it.
Wait. This place was built for something.
Then let's wake it.
If you've been wanting to create videos like this, for content, for storytelling, or just to bring your ideas to life, personal 40% off Nano Banana Pro 2 and Kling 3.0 Unlimited. Upgrade with personal 40% off. This offer is active for limited time only. Higgsfield is the platform I genuinely recommend. It's not just one tool, it's everything you need in one place. Image generation, video generation, motion control, AI voiceovers, dubbing, even short-form content tools, all under a single platform. So if you're serious about creating faster and smarter with AI, go try Higgsfield for yourself. Link is right below this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.